Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a challenge. This is the Toasted Almond Challenge, and I was tagged in this challenge by Hammel, and I will have her channel linked above in the eye icon and below in the description. And I am also going to tag 3 people, and the people I am choosing because I know they love bright, vibrant colors like me. So I know that doing something in the brown family is going to be a challenge for them as well. And that is going to be Anya Stamper, and from Anya Stamper channel. I'm going to tag Bree from PurplePinkRed and Candace from Candace Hampton. So I hope I will have their links to their channels below so you can annoy them and bug them and ask them where their lovely looks are as well. Alright, so the palette that I am using, and I did prep, prime, and all that stuff to my face. I didn't put any blush or highlight, but I'm going to start off with this eyeshadow palette right here, Hikari, and I had reviewed this a while ago, I think 2 or 3 months ago, and I haven't really used it much since then because I had so many palettes. So I figured this would be an excellent time to use it because it is in the brown family. Alright, so to start off this look, I am going to use a base color, and it is going to be this one right here, Precious. Alright, the next color I am going to go in with is going to be Coffee Bean right here. Okay, so now I am going to go in, I have to think about this a little bit because I'm going to have to commit here. I'm going to go in with Goldenrod right here. Okay, so now I think I'm going to go in with Fiesta right here. Okay, I'm going to define the creases a little bit with this one right here, Intense. Okay, so now I am going to, I'm going to go underneath, and I'm going to use the Goldenrod, and I'm going to use Fiesta. And so now I'm going to line my eyes with this Appeal gel liner and Lingerie. I don't know, I'm not reading right. Anyways, this is what I'm going to line my eyes with now. Okay, so I'm going to take my Galactic and just kind of make some fine points at the top. Alright, mascara is going to be Thrive Liquid Lash Extension. This thing really does work, let me tell you. It works. So we're going to do that. Alright, lashes are done. Let's go ahead and do, what am I going to do? Yeah, light contouring. I never do heavy contouring. I'm using this one right here, the GG Gorgeous one. This is the Turnt and Extra. That's what it looks like. so that is done. We are moving on to blush. We are using Lovecraft. And I am going to use this one right here. Alright, for highlight we are using, Alright, for highlight we are using Hank and Henry. This is Brilliant Pearls Nightlight. Alright, for lip color we are using Hank and Henry Pookie. And then we're going to use a gloss from Beauty Bakery in Holy Cannoli. Alright, that is my finished roasted almond look. Please don't forget to check out Katie's channel and her video, and don't forget to look up the other ladies' channels that I've tagged below as well. Anyways, that is it of this video. I hope you enjoyed. What do you think of this look? If you like this, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Otherwise, I hope to see you in the next video.